Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. You may seeing me here for the first time, and so I tell you, I will be covering all the complex topics related to the growing technicals of AI, whereas my partner will be covering all the basics required for the beginners in the shorts. Today, we dive into Agentic AI. We're moving from simple prompts to autonomous agents managing end-to-end workflows. The market is projected to hit nearly $200 billion by 2034. The key trend is bounded autonomy. Agents act independently but know exactly when to escalate to a human. It's the perfect balance of speed and safety. The real magic is multi-agent systems, specialized agents collaborating like a human team. Gartner predicts 75% of enterprises will adopt these by 2026. Tools like Crew AI and Microsoft AutoGen are leading the pack. They allow you to define roles and set goals, letting squads of agents plan and execute complex tasks in parallel. For precision, LangGraph offers stateful control over loops. And watch out for OpenAI Operator, a deep research powerhouse designed to handle the heavy lifting. Then there's Google's Project Jarvis. It takes control of your Chrome browser to book trips and conduct research, acting just like a human user. We're also seeing vertical-specific agents tailored for law, finance, and medicine. These agents understand the unique constraints and lingo of their industries. But scaling brings challenges like cost and governance. Auditability is a must. Every decision must be logged and compliant, especially in regulated industries. 2026 is the year of industrial-scale agentic AI. Your AI is becoming a constant co-worker, handling the routine so you can focus on innovation. From scalability to browser control, the world of agentic AI is moving fast. Staying ahead means mastering these tools and frameworks. So like, subscribe and share, and arriving to our resolution to make the world aware. Thanks for watching.